welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Chilled video, a bit of a reset. I'm gonna have a daytime bath, so I've got another Lush bath bomb, some nice products in the bath and chill. Then I'm gonna sort out my Alex drawers. I'm gonna use this first. So this is from the brand Westmont, and it's their hair identifying spray. So it's that spray that you spray on and it shows you all your peach fog. I'm gonna just do this first, so give it a shake. Why isn't it doing it like... It smells real bad. Oh, I think it's working. Don't I look cute? Doesn't look that bad on me. I mean, I've missed all around here. But yeah, let's just... I don't think I like this. I think I prefer doing it the normal way. That, I think, is a gimmick. I think it'll just be going straight in the bin, guys. Normal way, just putting a bit of oil on and then doing it. I think this is more of a gimmick. I mean, look at my top. It's messy. It's a good TikTok video. Actually, in real life, nah. Tint my brow. Just using this one from Isla. I just use like a little angled brush. Use a bit of the mango lip scrub. Love this. So I got this from Give Me Cosmetics. And it's just so nice. For the mask, I'm going to go in with this one. So I got this one in the mystery bag ages ago. So it's the Innisfree pore clearing clay mask, 2 times with super volcanic cleansing mask. The thing I'm going to put on is the Wonder Skin Lipton in the shade First Care. Guys, I'm gonna do the hair. I've got my gloves at the ready, and I've been using this one in between like proper dyeing my hair. I've been using this one from Temu. So it's the Ojo, I don't know how to do it. It's got argan oil in it. It's basically a speedy hair colour shampoo. It 100% covers grey hair. Really good. It's just really messy, so I'm not going to film doing it because it's really messy. So I will film obviously taking my hair down, and I'll show you what it is like after, because I have to really concentrate when putting this in because it's messy, like really messy, and that's what my roots are looking like. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on, guys, and I'll show you what it looks like once I've done it. So that's the hair dye all on, guys. It does get a little bit messy, that's why I didn't film it, because it can get really messy, this hair dye. It's a really good hair dye, but it's messy, more messy than normal box dye or anything. So I'm gonna just leave everything on as it is, and then I'm gonna go into the bedroom and we're gonna do my Alex drawers. We're gonna sort those out. So yeah, that's the next thing we're gonna do. Starting drawer number 1, so don't judge me, guys. Hair dye is so bloody messy, but luckily I normally have it all over me. My brows have come out so nice. So I'm going to put on this Pixie mask. This is the Rose Remedy mask. It's nourishing toning jelly, so it nourishes the skin. And I'm going to go and get into a nice bath. And then when we finished in the bath, I'm going to put on that UV, I've not used it yet, but the UV mask thing. Just charging it up at the moment. But then I'm going to put that on and then I'm going to chill for the afternoon and watch a movie. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, by the way, guys. I know it's just a little reset, a little pampering before I do my 13-day stretch. I'm not sure when you guys are actually going to see this. So this is the day before I do my 13 days on call. So I don't know if you guys are going to see this while I'm away, because we're going to Fields End Water. I've already filmed there, so I don't think I'm going to film there. I think that's just going to be mine and Tony's little getaway. I will film obviously when we go to Ikettleby for my birthday. So we're going there for my birthday in November, so I'll film that. But I think one that we're going to in October, I think it's just a chill after doing 13 days. So I think that will be a chill. So you probably will see this video while we're away. And then when we come back, I'll have some videos. I mean, I might film while I'm away. I might. Just like get a few clips and stuff of what we get up to. But if I don't, then there will definitely be a video a few days after we've come back. So I'm just going to pop this keratin mask in that I got from Temu in the Temu order. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that up there and down below for you guys to watch if you haven't watched it already. So basically this is a deep conditioning hair mask. Oh, look how dark it makes my hair. I love it. And this will wash off in a couple of days. Just takes a while to get off your skin. So I'll probably just leave this mask on for an hour while I'm having a bath, and then let it air dry. I'm just going to get the mask, put that in, French plait it while I'm in the bath. Do my usual. I just love having, especially in autumn, I just love having a bath in the daytime. Just relaxes you, especially when you're just having a relaxing day as well. I just love it. Do my usual, which is just bring it up around my head, tuck that one under, pull it round, and then get my crocodile clips and just sit in the bath with it like this. So I've been absolutely loving this Imperial Leather relaxing bath soap. So it's got lavender and wild iris in those. It smells absolutely incredible. And then I love this as well, West Labs, these are the natural mineral bath salts and I love them. So this one's the aromatherapy sleep bath salts with lavender jasmine. Oh, it's so gorgeous. If you haven't tried this one out, guys, definitely give it a go. You can get it in Home Bargains for about $2.99. I love this stuff. Obviously, if I'm having a cozy autumn bath in the day, I'm definitely using a bath bomb, and I'm definitely using a Mr. Pumpkin. Oh, this is the butter bath bomb from Lush, and oh my god, this bathroom smells insane. So let's put him in. So I literally exfoliated everything, my face, I exfoliated my arms, legs, body, everything. Lay in that bath for an hour. Oh, I feel so relaxed. And I forgot all about it, so I'm going to use it in today's video. Obviously it's a dupe for the really expensive version of this. I will link this down below if you're interested in purchasing one off Temu. I'm then going to try this for the first time as well. So basically this does something to your tummy. It says like a suction kind of thing. So it's a body sculpting slimming instrument. So you literally just put it, you can put it on your bum, your tummy, your arms, your back of your neck, your back, your legs, anywhere you want to work on. and I just thought I'd give it a go, to be fair. I'm not going to show you putting it on my tummy because I'm not at that stage yet where I'm comfortable showing my tummy on the internet. But yeah, I am doing obviously exercises in between. That's just to help with the momentum, basically, to get my muscles working when I'm slothing on the sofa today. So I'm not doing exercise, but I am doing exercises in between. I've got the skipping rope, and I'm trying to do some like yoga or tummy exercises on YouTube as well. I'm going to put on a bit of toner, so I'm going to go in with a rice toner because you guys know how much I love it. I'm going to put a lot of this on today. I'm going to just whack that all over the skin. My skin feels so nice and fresh. I've also got my green juice. I'm drinking my green juice. So these are the Free Soul greens, the mango one. And I've also got my Free Soul green cup as well. And I've also took 2 of the gummies this morning. I need to take some more of them before lunch. Moisturiser, I'm going in with the Aveeno, whatever I've got left of it, because it's running low. That low I don't think I've got. Oh yeah, I've got enough for today, I think. Need to get me some more of that. Just gonna let my hair air dry for a bit. Especially when I've like dyed it and stuff, I like it to dry naturally because it's less heat and whatever and damage to the hair. I'm then going to go in with this lash serum. Keep using that, so it's just this one that I got off Temu. So I'll keep using that and just let you guys know. Right, now we're going to put this on. So, hold it 1, 2. Okay, so it's got a red light on it now. Yeah, I guess I'm going to go and chill for about half an hour with this on. And then I'll be back to you guys and let you see what, if any. I think with these kind of products, you're going to have to... I can't take myself seriously by that. With these kinds of products, I think you've got to give them time. So I'm going to have to do this probably every night. But yeah, I'm going to go chill and watch a movie now, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. So it's been on for about, I want to say 10 minutes, and it just feels really claustrophobic and sweaty in here. I don't know if it's heating up or something, but I think it must be. Oh my god, guys, the things we do for beauty. It feels really heavy as well. It's quite heavy. It's not sitting like flush on my skin. I'm having to hold it because it keeps falling down. I'm alright. It's a little bit uncomfortable, but other than that, it's okay. I'll check in with you in about half hour, guys. Oh god. So time for the green. I don't know what that does. But I've done a red and a green. Oh god, it's so heavy. So I think after the green one, I'm gonna call it a day. Guys, that's me. My skin looks so nice and fresh. I'm just gonna have some lunch. So I'm just gonna have my leftover prawn curry that I did the other day, which I've just got in the... So I've just got it in the microwave. And yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video. And I'm just going to sit and chill now. I'm going to have my curry and I'm going to watch a film. I'm not sure what one I'm going to watch yet, but I'm going to watch some kind of horror movie. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys. I'm probably away in my caravan, hopefully, while you're watching this, and then when I come back, I'll be back on with filming again, guys. Love you so much, and bye.